Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, as we all know, Zanele Mbokazi has unfortunately passed away. May her soul rest in peace. So she has been sick for a while now. We have seen her on videos, we have seen the pictures, and also we have seen the state that she was in, but no one knew what was actually wrong. No one knew why she was sick and all of that. So this is a statement that was released by her husband to announce the passing of Zanele. This is what he wrote. He said, "It is with a heavy heart that we, the Nkambule and Mbokazi family, announce the passing of our dearly beloved Miss Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule, the founder of Crown Gospel Music Awards and Ukhozi FM radio personality. She departed to be with the Lord early hours of 12 August 2024 at Parklands Hospital. We are grateful for all the prayers, love, and support we received throughout her illness. The family would appreciate privacy as we navigate through this challenging time." Announced by husband Bishop Mpendulo Nkambule. So this was the statement that was released by her husband to inform people of her passing, right? So now her husband also was on Ukhozi FM. He was also now announcing the cause of her death, and he said that the reason he is announcing this is that people have different stories now. People are making assumptions, and he does not want the people to be assuming wrong things. He also doesn't want the fans to be worried, wondering what really happened. So he said that Zanele Mbokazi was suffering from lung cancer, and she started by losing her voice and she became weak and all of that, and then they took her to hospital. After they did all of the tests, and they found out that she had lung cancer, which was now the cause of the illness, and now it is unfortunately the cause of her death. May her beautiful soul rest in peace, guys. She was such a lovely woman, good looking, and she was also God-fearing. So I can only imagine the pain people are feeling right now, the family, people from church and all of that. But yes, guys, the cause of death was lung cancer, which is why we don't have Zanele with us anymore right now, But the way the husband spoke, man, you could tell that, he is hurt, but he will get over it, because he spoke so profound, man. He was, you could tell yes, he is hurt, but he is still an eloquent speaker. You could hear what he was saying, and he was sure of what he was saying. He did not have any doubts. So should I say this or not? But yeah, guys, that's all I have for today. Please subscribe and like.